This video is in response to a request from a long-term user of AdapTable who asked whether it would be possible for us to add a new feature to allow users at runtime to change column captions. So for instance, instead of this being name, it will say framework. And this proves two things. Number one, that AdapTable already has a huge amount of features because that's already available. And two, that we're therefore not very good at telling you what we have because you wouldn't have asked. So let's make this full screen and we can see the two ways in which you can do that. So the first way that you can change a column caption is via a layout. So if I go into the layout, I can look at all the columns, and then for each column there's additional properties you can set, and one of them is the header, that's the caption. So if I make this framework and save the layout, you can now see that that's become framework here, and in fact everywhere we refer to it, it says framework, and if for instance I want to create a custom sort and I want to see a list of the columns, it says framework. So that's the first way you can do it. But in fact there's another way you can do it which is even easier, and that is through each column's column menu. So for instance, let's say we want to change this to popularity. All you need to do simply is in the column menu choose the change caption, and then instead of GitHub stars we can make it popularity, and then when we click OK, there we are, it's popularity, and it's popularity, and everywhere where that column is referenced it will say popularity and framework. Now it's important to note that the underlying column IDs that the US developers would have given AG Grid when you set up your column definitions and grid options, they haven't changed. Whatever the original field or column ID is will not be changed, but the header property or the caption property can be changed, and as we can see, can be changed at runtime. So I hope that answers the question. Anything else you want to know about AdapTable, any other features which you think we should have or which we think we might have but we haven't told you about, please get in touch. And likewise, if you would like a one-to-one demo or a free no obligation trial license, then we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.